Start tayo sa baseline, takbo lang tayo. Kunyari, hihingin natin yung bola, we reject, pagsa-side, magla-lateral tayo, and then pass me the ball, open up lang, one dribble, and then finish. Okay? As simple as that. Pagka-finish nyo, make sure na meron nang pupunta doon para magpasa ng bola. Okay? Open up lang yung legs. Basta pagtakbo nyo dito, rejected, you go lateral, quick lateral, catch the ball, open up, stay, low rip, 1, 2, finish. Okay? Okay yan? Okay, let's go. Good. Lateral, quick, open, one dribble. Kahit isang dribble lang, okay na isang dribble. Go, go, Pilas, go, go. Quick, lateral, pass, open up, one dribble, finish. Kuwang bola, kuwang bola, kuwang bola. Pila sa likod, pumila ka sa likod. Kahit wag mo na ipasa yung bola kasi may bola na naman dyan. 1, 2, good. Kuwang bola. Orang ka, pila sa likod, pumila ka sa likod, pumila ka sa likod. Go, go. Quick. Open up. Kuwang bola, kuwang bola, kuwang bola. Pila sa likod. Pilas, pila na kagad. Okay lang, okay lang. Kuwang bola, pila na, pila sa likod, pila sa likod, pila ka sa likod. Sir, kuwang bola, pila sa likod. Good. Pilas, one dribble lang. 1, 2. Nice one. Good. Ready. Open. Kuwang bola, pila sa likod, pila sa likod. Good. Next. Go. Lateral, quick. Good. Kahit one dribble, okay lang. One dribble, kaya na yun. Nice one. Next. Go. Quick. Open. Nice one. Nice, sir. Nice one. Quick. Good. 1, 2. Good job. Good job. Next. Catch. 1, 2. Good job. Nice one. Kahit masyadong tutok. Para maganda yung, para maayos yung pasa. Go. Quick. Nice one. Dribble. Good. Good job. Next. Go. Pass. Open. 1. Agaw mo mag-take off. Nag-wrong foot ka, which is okay lang naman. Nice one. Chosas. Next. Pass, pass. Lakas ang pasa, boy. Next. Pila sa likod, sir. Open. Good. 1, 2. Good job. Next. Sir, pass. Open. Good. Dribble. 1, 2. Good job. Next. Quick. Nice one. Go. Pass. Drive. Go, Chosas. Good. Tigla last one. Go. Tigla last one. Tigla last one. Tigla last one. Go. Quick. 1, 2. Good. Next. Pilas. Go. Pass the ball. Huwag masyadong tutok, Chosas. Pwedeng lumayo ng konti. Go, boy. Go. Takbo mabilis. Takbo mabilis. Quick. Good. Open. Dribble. 1, 2. Good job. Next. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Open. Nice one. Finish. Go, Chosas. Last one, Chosas. Last one si Chosas. Lateral. Drive, Chosas. Okay, good job. We go now to the weak side. Takbo tayo sa middle. Lateral. Pag takbo sa middle, kunyari kukuha ng bola. Then quick lateral. Catch the ball. Open up. You can finish inside. Inside right, okay lang. Pero kung kaya nyo mag-left all the way, mas maganda. Okay? So we go run here. Takbo. Rejected. Quick lateral. Catch. Go open up. One dribble. Finish. Okay? Pag kayang all the way left, okay lang. Pag inside right, okay lang din. Okay? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Go, 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 sir. Lateral. Good. Open. Dribble. Finish. Left. Good job. Next, next, next. Good. Open. Go lang. Kuwang bola. Go. Lateral. Good. Open up. Good. Dribble. Dribble agad. Sure ball. Okay lang. Chosas. Ang takbo mo. Salang takbo mo. Go. Go. Next. 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 Quick. Open. Hey, boys. 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 Wait lang. Yung open up natin dito, Chosas, pasa mo sa akin yung bola. Drop your legs. Okay? Yung left leg, papasok dito. Okay? Ulit. Catch dito, pasok yung left, low rip, dribble agad, then finish. Hindi, pakabila, Chosas, pakabila. Pa dito. Ito. Papasok to dito. Yan. Okay? Siyempre, yung pivot mo, yan. Iangat mo siya. I-pointed mo lang. Okay lang siya naka-pointed. Hindi mo siya kailangang i-place na kaganan. Pwede siya naka-pointed. Pag ikot mo, go pointed. Hindi, wag mo siyang iwanan. I-pointed mo. I-pointed mo siya. Pointed. Yan, go. Ikot mo din. Ikot mo din. Yan. Okay? Ikot mo din siya. Para hindi ka mahirapan. Game. Chosas, pasa mo. Pahing isa doon. Sa kabila. Iisa doon sa kabila. Ready? Chosas, liyo ko ng konti. Ready? Go, sir. Go. Quick. Good. Lateral. Open. Good. Dribble. Finish. Left. Good job. Next. Catch. Open. Good. Dribble agad. Okay lang. Good try. Nice one. Go. Open up. Dribble agad. Okay lang. Go. Chosas. Dito, Chosas. Outside the cone, Chosas. Dribble agad, Chosas. Good. Layup. Nice one. Next. Chosas, pila sa likod. Open. Good. Dribble. Nice. Next. Uy, bola. Kuha. Pila sa likod. Doon ka pipila sa kabila. Ikaw papasa. Next. Go, pass. Open. Good. Dribble. Good job. Next.